Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube channel. I will be starting off with my eyebrows first with an eyebrow pencil that I purchased from Walmart in brown. My natural hair shade is brown, so that's what I went with at the moment. And then, once I get everything straight, girl, look up. Look up. Okay, so I go in with my Anastasia eyebrow filler, and that's an auburn color because it just looks natural when you use that certain color, and I got that from Sephora. I will put that in the link below. Once I've filled in my eyebrows, I take my corrector from Walmart to go around my eyebrows, and I find this product easier to work with, especially if you're not into makeup that much. You can go to Walmart and find the products cheaper to, get your feet wet a little bit. And I like this product because it's easier to manage, and then I go and take my little brush and just kind of fill in a little bit just to make it look kind of natural. And then I kept this brush for a long time. I don't even remember the number. That's how long I had it. But I take that to kind of blend out the concealer once I've applied it to my face. And then I take my foundation from Fenty. I do not know the number at the moment, so I'll make sure I put it in the description when I'm finished with this video. I take my beauty blender and kind of blend out everything. In my opinion, I like the brush more than the beauty blender, but I just use what I could at the moment. Now with this foundation, it is easier to manage. It's not hot. It's very light for the summertime. If you're going out for brunch, you can use this makeup because it's not heavy at all. You're not gonna sweat. If you have oily skin, make sure you get the Fenty product. So now I take my Fenty Trophy Wife highlighter. Y'all, I absolutely love this highlighter. And it's also great for the wintertime too, but for the summertime, I know y'all want to glow and look cute. So get y'all some Fenty from Sephora. I will make sure I put that in the description below after this video is done. And I did apply this with a blush brush because I could not find my fan brush at the moment, but it did pretty well, I must say. Now I have two eyebrow pencils, one for my eyebrows and one for my lips. I do not use both eyebrow pencils for, this look. If you do, that is fine with me. That is your look. That is not mine. Now, this is just what I do. I take that and I go around my lips with it so it'll make my lip gloss pop a little more. You can do it. You don't have to. It's up to you. That's just something that I do. And this lip gloss did come from Walmart by Black Radiance. I will make sure I put the name in the description. I absolutely love this lip gloss too. It's not too thick. It is just right, and it's not sticky at all. So I go in with my e.l.f. eyeliner to make my little heart on the side of my face. Also, I did use the same eyeliner for my eyes, which is in a different video, and that really completes my look.
Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
Let me see how it tastes. Come on, quick, move. Sit back.